A new report says Pakistan is on track to have 350 nuclear warheads in the next decade or possibly sooner. The report, written by the Carnegie Endowment for International Peace and the Stimson Center, stated that in the next 5 to 10 years, Pakistan could have a nuclear arsenal twice the size of India's and also larger than those of the United Kingdom, China, and France, making it the third largest behind the U.S. and Russia. The report, which was released on August 27th, said that Pakistan currently has an estimated 120 warheads compared to India's 100. In the coming years, Pakistan's advantage could grow dramatically because of its large stockpile of highly enriched uranium that could be used to quickly produce low-yield nuclear devices. However, several Pakistani analysts said the report is based on a faulty assumption that all stockpiles of fissile material will be used to make nuclear weapons. For Newsbeat Social, I'm Cambry Caldwell.